Unique, modern kitchen design ideas, 2023. Latest kitchen remodeling ideas and top tips to upgrade your kitchen and take it to the next level. Be one of the HD Interiors family. To make your home vibrant, HD Interiors channel is your way to build a contemporary home. A kitchen remodel is the chance to curate a space that's perfect for you. This latest inspiration and expert advice will set you on the right track. A kitchen remodeling is a project that's fun, exciting, and incredibly rewarding. If you're lucky enough to be stripping out your existing cabinets and rebuilding your space from scratch, you're blessed with the chance to create a cooking space that works perfectly for you. With that in mind, you should consider how you need your kitchen to function. What do you use your kitchen for most? Are you a keen host that requires a huge oven? Or do you not really like cooking, but you want your kitchen to be more of a social space? It's these functions that should drive the design of your kitchen, from the layout to the storage, and from the appliances to the seating. There are so many kitchen ideas out there that it's easy to be bamboozled by choice, so having a primary goal for your space in mind is a good way to keep you on track. Here are latest kitchen remodel ideas and tips to upgrade your kitchen and take it to the next level. Number 1. Begin with your cabinets. When you begin thinking about your kitchen remodel, you want to start with the defining elements of the space, like kitchen cabinet ideas, to add more style and function that will last. The cabinets are the bones of a kitchen. If they're outdated, it's hard to change the overall look of a room. If possible, replace them all. It's usually less expensive than refacing or staining. Along with updating your kitchen's appearance, new cabinets can increase its value. There is no replacement for real wood or natural materials. Even in a rental, people like the warmth and richness that wood gives. It's beautiful and has such high value in resale. Number 2. Scale everything down for a smaller space. Lots of us have to deal with smaller kitchens, and so we must learn to adapt. It's important to buy everything, from your appliances to your furniture to your lighting, in a size that works perfectly for your space. If your kitchen is especially small, chances are you won't need a massive oven to feed the 5,000, so save on cabinet space by choosing a smaller version. Number 3. Try eco-friendly paint. Time to update the wall color in your kitchen. Be sure to use non-toxic paint. Natural paint is made from materials like clay, milk proteins, or citrus, which are solvent-free and have zero levels of volatile organic compounds. When deciding on the perfect color, look for certified paint which helps reduce indoor air pollution and the risk of chemical exposure, making your kitchen remodel more environmentally friendly. Number 4. Replace countertops. Changing out your kitchen countertops is a great way to create a green kitchen. Consider using recycled glass or even reclaimed wood for your counters. These sustainable materials are maintenance-free, non-porous, don't require toxic sealants, and will last a long time without cracking or chipping. Quartz is also an eco-friendly option, made from a natural material that lasts a long time and can be recycled. Number 5. Turn your cabinets into a feature with lighting. You can be forgiven for thinking kitchen storage ideas are all about organizing and tidying away pots and pans, but consider how your storage can become a design feature in its own right too. The wall-hung units, tucked away from any direct natural light, could create a dark and dingy corner. But with glass inserts and internal lighting, the units act as an intriguing piece of artwork with an ambient glow, for example, drawing attention to something like books, plants, or ceramics. Number 6. Pick sustainable flooring. If you're going to install new flooring as part of your kitchen upgrade, consider using eco-friendly material. Recycled tiles, bamboo, cork, or sustainably sourced hardwood are some of the many flooring options to consider for your green kitchen makeover. Whichever material you choose, you won't have to sacrifice beauty for sustainable living. Number 7. Choose recycled materials. When picking out new materials for your kitchen, consider reusing what you already have. If you have leftover wood from flooring or countertops, create floating shelves. Or use cabinet handles from a dresser on your new cabinets. Refurbishing and repurposing items where you can still allows you to create a stunning kitchen while saving items from collecting in landfills. Number 8. Reface your cabinets. Looking to update your kitchen cabinets? Refacing cabinets has a much smaller carbon footprint than a complete kitchen remodel, so consider giving your cabinets a makeover rather than replacing them entirely. This not only eliminates material from collecting in the landfill, but it can also save you money. Number 9. Change light bulbs. For an easy way to save energy in your kitchen, simply switch all of your incandescent bulbs with LED bulbs. Energy-efficient bulbs use up to 80% less energy, saving you up to $75 on your electrical bill. In addition to using LED bulbs, consider reducing the amount of energy your light uses by adding a dimmer switch. When possible, leave the kitchen lights off and use the natural light from the windows. Finally, thanks all for watching. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, support us, and hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe channel, if you haven't already.